Welcome to Your Core Priorities, part of the Own Your Time series. Now, prioritization in itself is a brilliant theory. It holds the promise of balance. It holds the promise of us making that great impact that we're destined to make and also making progress on our most essential goals. But clearly, something isn't working because people are always connected, working overtime, and all the stress associated with that. People are sacrificing vacation time, working on vacation time, and the fact is that job stress is the top form of stress, whether that is the juggle between work and home life or the volume overload. So clearly something isn't working. We're facing a busy epidemic. The challenge, of course, is that the better you get, the more work available there is to you. Our work expands. In fact, it feels like it could be limitless. Added into that challenge is that there are multiple competing deadlines and everything feels important. It's not as simple as just saying, oh, well, drop the stuff that's not important. It's all great opportunities and important stuff. Add in the reality is that our time is limited, as we all know. So all of these challenges lead to people taking a very diluted approach to their work. They start working on project A, they jump over to project E, and then over to B, and back and forth. They make very little progress on any one project. So this is not prioritization, clearly. A much more effective approach is a concentrated approach. So really being clear on what your top priorities are. Not 9, not 12, but I'm talking 3 core priorities. This is the secret of the world's most productive people. And what do you do with everything else? Well, we call those your future priorities. I'm super keen to launch a podcast, but at this stage in my career, it's not one of my top 3. It might be number 4, but it's not one of my top 3. So I have it parked in future priorities. And I resist the temptation to just jump on a call with that vendor who can help me out and interview other people whose podcasts I really admire. I resist doing any of that work so I can focus on my core priorities, my top 3 right now. As the saying goes, I'm sure you're familiar with this expression, incredible quote from Karen Martin, when everything's a priority, nothing's a priority. If we spread ourselves thin, then we don't make the progress we want to make. So in this module, I'll be walking you through an exercise to help you really pull out what your 3 most important goals are. I call those your core priorities. And of course, we have other work, right? So we have those future priorities I already talked about. We have all of the supporting tasks that need to happen, right? You need to submit your expenses. You need to respond to email. You need to do the meeting follow-up. But probably none of these would ever be identified as one of your core priorities. They just need to happen. As well, there are personal tasks that need to happen during business hours. The only time you can book a dentist appointment is during the day. And then, of course, there are all those distractions vying for your attention that we know we shouldn't be doing, but still happens. So when we get really nice clarity around what those core priorities are, we can be much more effective with our time and make better decisions about how we spend our days. The challenge is, if we just try and do this all mentally, we end up recreating the wheel and investing a lot of time and inevitably succumbing to flawed decisions when we try and mentally do this every single day. So we need a system. We need a system that we like to call your master action plan. This is an incredible tool that's going to drive your prioritization. And in this module, I'll walk you through how to set it up, what it looks like, how to personalize it for you, and how to ground it in your most essential work. Now, we'll also talk in this module about how to plan your day. We know that's so important and how we can tie that into your prioritization model. And of course, at the end of the day, you might find you're doing all of that perfectly, but there's just still too much work. I'll be introducing you to a concept called the Simplify filter. This is all about finding opportunities to streamline, scale back, and seek help, because this is the only way you can level up, optimize your time, and continue to free yourself up for bigger and better opportunities. So once again, this module is part of our Own Your Time program. I really do encourage you to think of this as part of a bigger whole and invest in studying all these core skills, and that truly helps you to own your time. For more on productivity, collaboration, and mindset, please check out our website. We have a wealth of resources from blogs to videos and so much more. And I'd love to connect with you on social media. Thanks for your time today.